My name is Hlelelo Nkambule from Kombawati Care Point. I've been sponsored and catered by AIM ever since I came here in Nguleni, which was 2016. But then I got the opportunity to be sponsored by the Care Point when I was doing my Form 2, which is probably 2017. I've just completed school and I'm so happy that AIM has been supporting me financially with all I need. And way back home, they used to pay us visit every time the missionary team would come here at Swaziland, and it's been a very great time having been with them all these years, because I'm not only alone, I'm also with my two little sisters. We always go there. I was doing my high school at Mobe High from Form 1, and I've been pushing hard on my studies and my grades till 2020, where I got good results. I credited 6 subjects and had 2 passes out of 8 subjects, which I learned at school. I'm very grateful for the things they've done for us, the help they've offered me, because they don't just cater your financial needs, they cater our emotional needs and spiritual growth. Because I used to value every section we had during the Wednesdays and Fridays, because it's not always when we get time to go to the Cape Point, so we would usually go there, have some talks, groups. We learn how to mingle with other people, we learn love, we learn courage, we learn determination, we learn love most of all, because basing things on love makes you never to go wrong. So as Hlelelo Nkambule today, I would really like to appreciate and voice it from my side, from deep down my heart, that I really appreciate what they did for me, and to encourage even other students who would wish and who would be granted this help. They mustn't take every opportunity for granted, because help just comes once. It's not every time that opportunities avail themselves. It's just once after a lifetime. Career-wise, I wish to be a doctor, but then our universities here local in Swaziland don't offer all those facilities. But then I can have as a second option civil engineer, because currently I'm just applying in all the tertiary institutions available here in Eswatini, just to get myself a place where I can do my further studies and then graduate and then be that prosperous person. And I've also learned not being heartless, giving to other people just as I was helped through giving, and the willing hearts who shared their portion of money, of their wealth, just to save us and help us, helping the ailing Eswatini citizens. Just as I'm here right here, I'm built up by those character traits, those love and everything. So all in all, I as a whole really appreciate everything AIM has given to me, and I also promise that even now going forward, as I go to see the real outside world, I'm gonna do my best in all I do, and I'll never stop being a strong believer in Christ, and will always and always go to church. And I want to also remind our friends that we really love them, we always pray for them, and even though this pandemic has made us not to see them quite often as we usually see them, but we wish that as things go on and almost everything will be okay, and we will another day see each other. But then I still wanna pass it on that this help you're offering is really of help to us, because I'm just imagining myself, if so ever you never catered for my school fees. I just don't want to imagine how miserable I might have been. Maybe could have been those girls who had teenage pregnancies because I was just lonely sitting at home with no help, nowhere to refresh my mind, nowhere to go, just as the other kids are sitting at home right now. But thanks to everything, that even though there's this pandemic, we're still able to go to the Cape Point. So even though things are not at ease, but I wish that they continue. I really would love if our special friends would continue showing that love and showing that care, and continue giving, providing to those kids, so that they paint a brighter future for themselves and have their life made great.